I will be preparing what? Papa go buy fruits. So I will be preparing scrambled egg. This one for Adeline because she likes egg. She likes egg. Yeah, scrambled egg. Luchik also eat scrambled egg. We don't have salt, so I just use this one, steak spice. And then this is the coconut oil, which we bought. And also, this is for Luchik if he want. We bought the Skippy. I like Skippy. And then this one, chocolate spread. They just munching this chocolate spread. And also some Fruit Loops for breakfast. So I will prepare. The kids are over there. Luchik just finished drinking his milk. And Adeline here drinking milk. And then what you eating? What is that in your hand? This one. What's that? What? That's cookie. No? It's milk. And then the other one? My cookie. Okay. Yummy. So Mama will cook. Okay? You didn't finish? Oh, you. She also asked for yogurt. She likes to eat yogurt. Okay, you want yogurt? You want your yogurt? Mommy. Do you like yogurt? Okay, so this is the egg. Just scrambled. Make it low. Low fire. Luchik, your peanut butter. You want peanut butter? Or you eat egg? Oh, she's already eating egg. This is for Luchik. You want peanut butter? She's already eating egg. That's too big, Adeline. Might fall down. You put here. You eat here. Luchik's still lazy. You want peanut butter? You want peanut butter? Try. Still don't want. Still lazy. Don't want. Okay. How? You still don't want? Peanut butter. Wait. Maybe I try to give him this. No chocolate, please. Later, this one first. Try first the peanut butter. Luchik. Don't want. I also make instant coffee, but I don't like instant coffee now. I want the real, the coffee, real coffee. Instant I cannot already. I don't like.
But unfortunately, mango expensive, 25. I don't know why in Bukit they expensive, 25 1 kilo.
25 1 kilo.
Because in Sukhavati we buy for 18, the cheapest so far.
18 or 15?
Price watermelon is the same, 10,000. Banana
10,000 per piece.
Huh?
10,000 per piece.
No, kilo.
This one?
Yeah, per kilo.
But in
No, same. They sell watermelon per kilo.
you said per piece.
No, per kilo, not per piece.
Then I like wrong put in my blog. I put wrong because no more. It's already posted. So Archie said that watermelon is like 10,000 per kilo because last time I tell it's per piece, but it's per kilo.
Pizza.
And then banana is the same. It's 20,000. 20,000 per kilo, right? And then the mango is 25,000 per kilo. And then how about our Papa? How about our durian?
Durian is per piece, so
Yes.
this is so small is 20, big 25 and 20 per piece.
Where? Here is much cheaper.
Yeah, it's cheaper, yeah.
Yeah, because actually
But mango more expensive.
yeah, in Jimbaran, a lot of durian selling here. That's why we can enjoy durian here at cheaper price. Yeah. So, Papa, let me remind, this is 20 and 25, right?
Huh?
Small 20 and 25. Wee!
I see.
Archie also bought some toy for the kids. Ayan. Super busy. Oh, she said this is spicy.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is drink.
Oh, Luchik already eat the fries. You see?
Chicken fries.
Already put the fries in his mouth.
Fries. Fries.
Wow, you can cook later,
Fries.
Adeline. Burger. You know what is this? Oh, burger. And then this one? Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. This one. This is for French fries. Luchik already took your French fries. Okay. There, Luchik eating the French fries already. No. Oh, put here your French fries. But see, this girl like don't want to share the toy. She said no. Okay. You eating unhealthy food, Adeline, huh? This is the durian. It's organic.
Yeah, unfortunately, not so nice. Unfortunately.
Not so nice.
Unfortunately.
I think the...
But
Hey,
at least
Papa!
cheap.
You see something still moving.
Yeah, no. Organic.
Like I don't want to eat already. I don't want to eat.
Hot dog.
Pa, I don't want to eat this.
Hot dog.
I don't want to eat this part.
It's okay. Try this.
Because they like have wormy.
No, most
wormy, like,
probably
I
have
don't want
worm
to eat.
inside. Yeah.
This one don't have.
Don't have, that's
no,
nice.
this one is nice.
But like very watery already, ma'am. Not so.
Too ripe? Ay! Too ripe? Is it too ripe?
And also like taste not rich. It's okay to be overripe, but you don't feel taste richness.
Like too soft and watery.
Those from Mountain I bring was really
Oh, yeah.
nice.
I really enjoy those from mountain.
Papa,
Yeah.
You want? So this durian from the other one, the big one, it's much nicer.
Cannot open.
And then we like to put inside the fridge because it's very nice, like ice cream.
Cannot open.
When it's cold, Papa, right? We like.
The chilled one, yeah. Chilled
It's like
much
ice
nice.
cream. Let's go, Adeline. Hold Mama. Hold Mama's hand.
Adeline, you walk.
How? She don't want to walk.
She wants support.
Luchik, let's go. Luch. Luchik, let's go. You call the chick. You call the chick. Happy girl pa. Si
Yeah,
happy
happy
girl.
girl.
Dancing, dancing.
You're the one.
Why?
She said she's the one.
I think Adeline na expecting water. You drink your watermelon first.
Snapper. Snapper and salmon. Yes, sir. Quality of boy, quality of boy.
Look, you're the asking. Hey, give back, give.
Up here.
Oh, come here. Go. There?
Thank you. Say thank you.
Yeah.
You say thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, the
How
pic-
much?
For
Ah,
You like ice cream? Nice? Give to Luchik ice cream. Luchik!
Adeline, share.
How she allow pa to share?
You try it or no?